Problem 1. Contractor was awarded a contract to build 8 miles of a highway project in 8 months for $12 million. The status after 2 months, 2 miles completed and $2 million has been spent. How is this contractor doing? So we want to assess whether the contractor is ahead of schedule or behind of schedule. So get from the project information, we can have the budget at completion, BAC, total plan value of the project. In this case, is 12 million. And it finished in 8 months, so we have the duration of this project is 8 months. And the plan is completed 8 miles highway in 8 months. So if we assume that is linear, then we have the plan based on our plan here, 8 mile in 8 months. So it means per month it equal to 8 miles completed in 8 months. Then 1 month based on our plan, it will be 1 mile per month. Then now, after 2 months, what does it look like? So go back to problem 3 in the previous lesson, when we know how to determine earned value, plan value, and actual cost. If you are not sure, go back to that to review. Now let's use that information to do these problems. Then after 2 months, we have 2 miles complete. It means that the actual percent complete is actual percent is after 2 months, 2 miles completed. So we have 2 here, 2 miles, and the total is 8 miles. Then we have percent complete, actual percent complete is 25%. And we also need to determine the planned percent complete. And we already determined the plan is 1 mile per month. Then 2 months, the plan should be 2 miles. Then what is the plan percent complete? It will be equal to 1 mile per month time 2 months, and divide by the total 8 miles. Then we also have the actual, the plan percent complete is 25%. Then from that one, we can be able to determine the plan values. And because of after 2 months, I call that a plan value 2 after 2 months. So it will be equal to the plan percent time the total budget, because the work is planned and the budget, the cost is planned. Then we can be able to determine the plan values. Again, go back to review the previous lesson. Then we can have the plan is 25%, and the total budget is 12 million. then we can be able to find out that it's 3 million. Similarly, we can be able to determine the earned value. It equal to, based on the matrix you learned in the last lessons, is equal to the actual percent, actual work, time the planned budget. Actual percent, time, planned budget. And that actual percent complete, also 25%, time, planned budget, 12 millions. So you will have that is also 3 millions. And then the last one, we want to determine what is the actual cost after 2 months. The problem gives us the 2 million has been spent. So it means that we have it 2 million. So now answer the question, how is the contractor doing? How is the contractor doing? So with that one here, we go to the exam reference and in page number 1, exam 3 reference. So how is construction doing? We can determine by either CV, cost variance, equal to EV minus AC, or cost performance index, CPI, EV over AC, to assess the cost. For schedule, we still determine the schedule variance, EV minus PV, or schedule performance index, EV over PV. So let's go that equation here. Go back to there. We can be able to determine the schedule variance after 2 months, and it equal to, from that, earned value minus planned value, and it is 3 millions minus 3 millions, so it equal to 0. Or we can find out the schedule performance index 2, and it equal to ratio instead of difference, EV2 over PV2, and the same 3 over 3 is equal to 1. And if we go back to the interpretation of basic performance index, we have SV equal to 0 and SPI equal to 1. It means that the project is on schedule. So with that one here, we can say that it is on schedule. What you earn equal to what you plan to get, then it's on schedule. Similarly, we can find out the cost performance. So we have CV2 equal to what you earn minus what you spend, actual cost. So we have 3 millions minus 2 millions equal to 1 million. Or we can have it CPI, cost performance index, after 2 months. It equal to EV2 over AC2 equal to 3 millions over 2 millions. It equal to 1.5. And with that one here, we have CV greater than 0. And you can see this is 1, this is greater than 0, and this is greater than 1. If we go back to here, the project is on the first row, CV greater than 0, CPI greater than 1, it's under budget. Then we can say that is under budget. So that is for problem 1. In problem 2, we continue with this problem after 4 months and 6 months, and then we can be able to draw a chart.